nice seminar. We had a lot of people who are interested in modular construction, and what we saw, there's big interest, and basically people see that this is a future. We have discussed a number of very interesting projects, and the main benefits are the time savings. Benefits are with financials. Also, you can have higher quality, and we showed how good quality is, how good quality could be built by using our technology, and of course ecologically friendly because of less waste and because of much better for people, for workers, safer. Greatest team of engineers and designers and constructors. So our team is really open to answer your questions. We are open to receive your requests, and please visit our website www.fortamedical.com, and we will be glad to address all your needs. Thank you.